Hi darlings, welcome back to my channel. I believe that you all are in a good state of health, as it is ought to be for my kind. So guys, in today's video we are going to do banana bread. Alright guys, relax, chill and watch to the end and see the result of this banana bread. It's super, it's lovely, it's yummy, you will enjoy it. So darlings, as you are watching, if you haven't hit the subscription button, please kindly do that for me. Follow me on Facebook, TikTok and Instagram, depending where you are watching my recipes. Like, comment and share my videos. Also try all my recipes at home. Recommend to your family and friends. To all my subscribers, thank you to you all. I really appreciate you all for your kind supportive. To all my new subscribers, you all are highly welcome. To all my likers, commenters and viewers, I'm so grateful to have you all. Okay, relax, chill and watch till the end. Thank you. at this moment, if you are still watching, that means you love my recipes. So guys, if you haven't hit the subscription button, please don't forget to do that. Also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and TikTok. You will see my social media handles at the end of this video. My darlings, enjoy yourself, stay safe, relax, and remember, don't look for trouble. Thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye!